guys, what's up? This is Panchal and this is the third video of the tutorial series where I teach you how to solve the Rubik's Cube. This tutorial requires you to be confident with the daisy. So if you don't know how to solve it or are not confident with it, then please go and watch the previous two tutorials. I'll link them down in the description below. So let's begin. So guys, the second step in solving the Rubik's Cube is making this. This is known as the white cross, where the four white edges are connected with the white center and the adjacent color to the white in the edge is also connected with their respective centers. So for example, in this edge the adjacent color is green and so it is connected to the green center. Here the adjacent color is orange and it is connected to the orange center. So guys, as you can see, I have made the daisy here. To make the white cross, we will choose any one of the four white edges. So I'll choose this one. Then we will look at the adjacent color. So in this example, it is orange. Then we will do U moves to get this connected with the orange center. Because this is orange, so it will have to get connected with the orange center. Then we will hold it like this and do F2. Now we will choose one of these three. So I'll choose this one. This is the white and green. So I'll do U moves to get it connected to the green center. So as you can see here, we have done that. Then I'll hold it like this and do F2. And this also gets connected. So this has got connected with the white center and also the adjacent colors are connected to their centers. So now we'll choose this. So it is already connected to its center. So what I can do is hold it like this and do a F2. Last, this one. We will do U moves and this gets connected. So we can do F2 and our white cross is done. So guys, now here's an example of me making the white cross from the daisy. So I'll choose this edge. The white and red edge, so the adjacent color is red, and I'll do U moves to get it connected with the center. So here it is connected with the center. I'll hold it like this and do an F2. So this gets connected and this is also connected. Next I'll choose this one. I'll do U moves again and then this gets connected. So I can hold it like this and do an F2. Now I'll choose this one. So this is the white and blue, and so I'll do the U moves again and get it connected with the blue center. Now I will hold it like this and do an F2, so this also gets connected. Now last is this one. So what I can do here is I can hold it like this and then do a U move. So this gets connected to the green center and then hold it like this and do F2. And that's the white cross done. So guys, here's an example of Nehal making the daisy and the white cross.
Hello guys!
Let's begin.
And here's the daisy done. And there's the white cross done.
So guys, as you can see, Nehal has made the white cross. He has connected the four white edges with the white center and each adjacent color to its respective center. So guys, I hope you liked the video. If you did, smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that notifications bell. Also share my video with your friends and family. And don't forget to practice the white cross 10 to 20 times and wait for my next video. See you all in the next one. Goodbye.